Hey guys, welcome to Home CGI. In this video I'm going to break down the VFX which I used for the hologram video, obviously. So let's get started with a small intro. Okay guys, so I'm using Blender 2.82 version for doing this VFX. So please download Blender. I'll give you the link in the description box below. Okay, let's get to the point. So left click on the camera to select it, Alt R, Alt G, okay, and left click on the cube to select it, and X to delete it. Left click on the camera again and rotate it 90 degrees on the x-axis by pressing R, X, 90, and enter. Press G to grab it and Y to move it on the y-axis. Get the camera to here and press numpad 0 to go to the camera view. So in the camera properties, check background images, movie, and locate your movie now. Okay, my movie clip is this one. Okay, yeah, so my starting frame will be like, my starting frame is, wait a second, we need to check it. There's the starting frame and the end frame. So my starting frame is like 120, so I'll get this to 120, and my end frame is 400. Okay, yeah, and next let's first save this. I'll save it like hologram. I'll save Blender file. Yeah, it has been saved. Now let's add the components. So press Shift A and add a cone and numpad 7 for the top view, and scale it on the y-axis by pressing S, Y, and scale it down in the y-axis like this. Numpad 0 again for the camera view, then rotate it 180 degrees on the y-axis by pressing R, Y, 180, then enter, and get this cone to here. I mean, that's the object where the hologram comes out of that. So scale it down a little bit by pressing S, and you can scale it down, and I'll zoom in. Yeah, this is how it looks like. And let's set the materials now. So go to the material properties and click new. It'll take some time, just wait a second. Yeah, now from the principled BSDF I'm going to change it to emission, and the color will be light blue because that's what the hologram color will be. So I'll change the strength to 6. Now go to the render properties and change it to cycles. The render value will be 20, I guess. Yeah, and then open the film and check transparent. Yeah, after that, yeah, that's the first basic step we are going to do. And next let's go to compositing. Open compositing tab and use nodes, and now Shift A to search and add a movie clip. I'll press G, and yeah, now open the movie clip. We add it by pressing this button. You can open it directly, and then press Ctrl, Shift, and left click on the movie clip to add a viewer node, and press G to move these nodes. Okay, and now add a scale node by pressing Shift A, search, scale node. I'm going to change it from relative to render size, and I'm going to add an alpha over node, and get this node here. Shift and intersect with this node, I mean this line, and you will find a circle so we can connect it. Okay, now let's see how it is. So first render and go to render image. This will take some time, just wait a second, okay? But it is going to be cool, I guess. Just be patient, just wait a second. Yeah, boom, there you go, you have your basic hologram. But that doesn't look like a hologram much, because the hologram should be transparent, right? But it is opaque. So let's do one thing, let's get it to transparent. So come back, and in the factor you need to reduce the factor to get the render layers to transparent. Okay, see, you can see it is transparent. If I put the factor value 1, it is opaque. If I get it to 0, it is not visible. So I'm getting this to 6.33. yeah, now it looks like a hologram, and I'm going to blur it. So shift A, search for blur, yeah, got it. And in the x-axis I'm going to blur it for 2. yeah, now it looks like a hologram. And now let's go to the layout and shift A to add a text. I'm going to add a text and rotate it 90 degrees on the x-axis by pressing R, X, 90, then enter. I like this to be like a spy sequence, so I like do you accept the mission? Yeah, I like this one. So S to scale it down, and get this text on to the top of this hologram. Now press tab and left arrow, and I'm going to press enter. Yeah, again tab to go to the object mode, and there you go, you have your hologram. But let's go to material properties and let's check this. Okay, yeah, now if you see, both look like a hologram. Okay, so now let's go to the compositing node. Yeah, we got it. So now let's go to the output properties, click on this button and locate your video and change this to FFmpeg, from PNG to FFmpeg. Okay, so now if you locate it, your video will be ready. And just wait a second, open view, and I'll zoom it out. Yeah, this is how it looks like. And now this is the big moment, and click render and render animation. I'm going to skip the video because it is going to take some time, and I'm going to get a coffee. Okay, alright guys, this is the big moment. I'll show you the video, and just wait a second. I'm go and yeah, see and enjoy. See, this is the CGI video. Just wait a second. See, this is the hologram. It is cool. This is the first CGI tutorial. I'm very excited at the starting. Yeah, see, this is the tutorial for today. I will see you in the next video. Bye. And I'm going to give a tip now. So the tip is, if you're downloading Blender in your computer, then no problem, there's nothing to worry. But if you're downloaded Blender in your laptop, you have to connect a mouse. You can't do some things without your mouse, like see, zoom in or zoom out, or change the point of view. Okay, change the point of view. As you can see here, I'm using middle mouse, and see, you can't do some things without your mouse. So please connect a mouse and you can use Blender. Okay, yeah, see you next time guys. Bye, take care, love you.